Hey there, welcome to Bob's Cooking and Stuff. Today we're going to make steak all wrong. Don't listen to what the experts say. No sear, no reverse sear, no high heat, no butter basting, no excessive salt. We're going to make a steak coming home from work, making it in the afternoon or the evening for dinner, and it's going to be delicious. Stay tuned. Today we're cooking 4 ribeye steaks. The first thing we're going to do is pat them dry. Next we'll add some salt and pepper. Next, we'll add some McCormick Grill Mates, garlic and herb seasoning. Next, we'll add some garlic butter seasoning. Now we're going to gently tenderize the steak and at the same time press the seasoning into the meat. We'll do the same thing to the other 2 steaks. I almost forgot to add the onion powder. A lot of the techniques for cooking steak have as much to do with the presentation as it does with the flavor. The crust, the searing, the butter basting are all great ways to make a steak, but they're not necessary to have a really good tasting steak. I'm cooking over low heat, so I'm oiling the grates to help prevent sticking. I've made steak this way for years. My friends and family love it. And to be honest, I prefer it over most of the steaks I've had in restaurants. After 8 or 9 minutes, we're going to flip the steaks over for the first time. Please like, comment, and share. I don't want to come off as putting down other ways of making steak. They're all good, and I've done many of them myself and still will. This is just my favorite way to do it. After another 6 or 7 minutes, we'll flip the steaks again. 4 minutes later, the steaks are ready to come off the grill. Please subscribe to the channel. Now we'll cut into this and check the doneness. It's a nice medium rare and really juicy. We'll add just a dab of butter to the top. And let me tell you, this steak was truly delicious. And there you have it, steak done wrong. Not how the experts would do it, but this is my favorite way to eat a steak.